Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit Kajabi course details. Whether you need to update your course title, refresh the description, or add a new thumbnail, knowing how to access and modify these details will help you keep your content polished and current. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, head over to your Kajabi login page and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to open your website editor for the site where your course is hosted. If you're using a custom domain, navigate directly to that site after signing in. This ensures you're working within the correct environment where your course content lives. Next, look at the left-hand menu and click on Products. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this expanded menu, go ahead and click on Courses. This section is your hub for managing all the courses you've created, and it's where you'll find the specific course you want to edit. Now you'll see a list of all the courses in your account. Locate the course you want to modify and hover your cursor over it. As you hover, you'll notice a three-dot button appears. Click on that button and an expanded menu will pop up with several actions you can take. From this menu, select Edit Details. This is the key step that opens up all the customization options for your course. You'll now be directed to your course's details page. This is where the magic happens. From here, you can edit the course title to make it more engaging or accurate. You can also update the description to better reflect what students will learn or to include new information. If you want to refresh the visual appeal, you can add or change your course thumbnail right from this page. Scroll down to view even more customization options that Kajabi offers. There's quite a bit you can tweak to make your course look exactly how you want it. And if you ever need to remove a course entirely, you'll find the delete option at the bottom left part of the overview page. Once you're satisfied with all your edits and customizations, make sure to click Save to lock in your changes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.